Probably shouldn't be doing this. What's up, and welcome to another video.
Oh baby, right now lose it. Just lose it. Go crazy. Oh baby. Just too party. Maybe till Monday.
Yeah, so of course I did try standing up the first time. Didn't work out well. But welcome to another video. In my last video I talked about getting new tools, just to make life a bit easier for me. But anyway, in my last video we finally got to drive a little bit of a car. Can't drive around like this. Gonna get into trouble very soon if I keep doing that. But yeah, so in today's video I'm gonna try to get the bumper back on the car. It's not as easy as just putting it back on. I have to do some modifications. First, want to jack up the back of the car with the new jack I got. It's the car way higher, makes life a lot easier. So yeah, let's get under there so that I can check out what I'm gonna do about the fuel system. Half a meter, like 550 millimeters it lifts, so much better than that old piece of so with that one I struggled to get the jack stands under the car, and even to just move under the car even without the crawler. Yeah, it was a pain. So we have the crawler over there, and then with the new jack I think life is going to be much easier. I don't have much time. I'm leaving to a friend's house in about 2 hours for the long weekend. Don't know what we're gonna get up to, but I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of fun. But yeah, let's get the back of the car jacked up. Looking under the car, the fuel tank goes over the prop shaft and the exhaust and everything like that. So we have like a lump of fuel over here and then another one over here, and it's joined in the middle, so it's like one complete unit. But if I have to remove it, I'll have to remove the prop shaft, the exhaust, and a couple of other things. I'm gonna leave this here now and maybe think about it a bit. Maybe build or buy a new fuel cell. I think that'll be a lot easier, and then I can make it the way I want it. So yeah, this isn't gonna happen today. Let's move on. Yeah, so it's been a couple of days after I washed the car. Still looks pretty good. Hasn't been washed in like 3 months since I started with everything, but I just wanted to come out here. I have been driving the car a little, just to the gym and back, and yeah, not very far from home. This is actually the farthest I've been. So I thought I'll just walk around the car and talk a little bit about the plans. So one thing is the wheels, maybe. I saw this TikTok. We'll pin a comment down below of should I do my wheels, and you can just go give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you would like to see that. If I get more likes than dislikes, I will most probably paint my wheels. Then another comment I got is about this ugly looking tailpiece. So I do have 2 other tail pieces. You can also let me know which one you would like to see on the car, but I've been thinking maybe I should let the exhaust pipe come out in the middle of the car at the back, but I don't know what the future plans are. Maybe to get a tow bar for the car, or the other thing I was maybe thinking about was making the exhaust come out on this side and the other side, or just on one side, maybe below my door over here. So when I open my window, I can hear all the nice noises. Let me open this. So I just have this wire keeping the hood closed because I still need to cut the hood, and I'm not looking forward to that. But it does have a mark over here, piece of metal on the highway, and where the engine is pressing on the hood, you can see a little over here somewhere. Can't really see it on camera. Oh, there it is. Yeah, over there, the engine is hitting right there. So I really need to cut the hood. It's pressing over there. It's gonna rub through. But so far so good. Everything is doing actually pretty good. Still testing out the cooling system and the battery. Yeah, so it just needs a tune on the cold start, and then yeah, a tune for about 3000 RPM when I do the fuel system, which would be next. I actually got all or most of the material to get that started. So I have the launch control set up on this button, so let's see if that works. I also do have fire extinguisher and quick start, and I still need to cover up that, but we'll get to that. Lot of stuff in the car, old parts and all that. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. So yeah, the fuel cell is going to be in the boot. That's the plan, so we'll see how that goes. Probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm going to see how it sounds like on, let's say, 3,500 RPM limit. See what it does. Okay, it works. Oh no. Let's go for a small drive. Hot shit. So I turned around, the engine temperature is down again. Seems to be, when you're moving, it helps a lot. So I think there's still a bit of air in the system, but oh, I just want to keep driving. It sounds so good.